guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Hope you are all good and doing well. Today's video is a DIY face glowing serum. This serum makes your skin glowing and spotless and also soft. The ingredients we need to make our serum are easily available and also affordable. The ingredients we need: Aloevera gel, glycerin, olive oil, rose water and vitamin E capsules. To get your glowing spotless skin, you don't need to buy costly products. You can make your glowing serum at your home. Aloevera gel prevents signs of aging, moisture your skin, reduce acne, lighten blemishes, reduce tan and it helps with sunburn. Glycerin makes your skin soft. It also treats acne, skin infections, wrinkles and fine lines. Vitamin E capsules protect your skin from UV rays. Olive oil makes your skin moisturizing and glowing, and rose water maintain your pH balance and hydrate your skin. And the good things about this DIY face glowing serum is you can store this serum for 4 to 5 months. So let's check out the video how to make DIY face glowing serum. First, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. I am using Patanjali aloe vera gel. You can use any aloe vera gel, but if you are using fresh aloe vera gel, then you cannot store this serum for 4 to 5 months. You have to store this for 1 week. Then add 1 teaspoon glycerin. I am adding 1 teaspoon of olive oil. If you have sensitive or oily skin, then you add almond oil instead of olive oil. Then add 2 vitamin E capsules. And lastly, add 2 teaspoons of rose water. Now mix it well. Now store it in a clear container. It is the DIY face glowing serum. Now I am applying it on my face. The texture of this serum is very smooth, so you can see it easily blend on my skin. You can see my skin is glowing. You can use this serum before sleep cause it gives best result at night. For better result and get your glowing and spotless skin, use this serum twice a day. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for upcoming videos. And also like and share. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.